Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin Carlo. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to be talking about watermarks. What are watermarks? Watermarks are an efficient copyright protection mechanism and a pain in the neck when it comes to restoring the intact image from the watermarked one. Removing watermarks from a video is very important if you are a YouTuber. It makes you look professional. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks from any app. This is the simplest way of removing watermarks from your video, whether it is KineMaster or any other app. This is what you are going to do. You are going to download an app called AC Market. This app is for downloading apps and games, and any app you download from AC Market will not have watermark. Easy, right? So that's it guys. If you know of any other way of removing watermarks from a video or from a Photoshop or anything, please comment it in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section. I want to know what you are doing to remove watermarks from your videos. Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, please comment, like, subscribe, share. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.